Hey guys, now we're going to work on the fruit page. The first fruit we're going to do is an avocado. You might be saying, an avocado isn't a fruit, but you would be surprised to learn that, botanically speaking, yes, it is classified as a fruit. So you're going to take a medium brush and you're going to load it up with the light green paint. Now you're going to draw two circles, one small, one large underneath it. And then you're going to connect those so it looks like a bowling pin shape, like a fat bowling pin. Then you can go in with the same brush and load up on dark green paint. And with that dark green paint, you're going to do an outline. Okay, once that's complete, you're going to go ahead and use same size brush to load up on brown. Preferably dark brown. I don't have dark brown with me right now, but either brown will do. And then you're going to go ahead and do the big avocado pit right there. And there you have it, an avocado.